Hi, I'm Donna with Donna's Products, and I'd like to thank the Baker's Signature Store for sending me these springform pans. There's 4 included. There's a 4-inch, a 7-inch, a 9-inch, and a 10-inch. Baking and cooking is my passion, and I absolutely love baking dishes and taking to my neighbors and just for my family. So let's open the box and see what's in there. I love these springform pans. The nice thing about it is if you just wanted to make a single cheesecake for yourself, the small one is just great. And it has the springform here. The next one is a 7-inch. And the thing I like about these is there is a little lip right here. And especially when you're pouring your batter of any kind in, that lip helps with spillage. And these are just great. I just can't wait to use them today. My neighbors are going to be happy to see me. And then the 9-inch. Again, it has the springform here. And then the 10-inch. And this is for a bigger family, just a bigger lunch, dinner, whatever, you can use them. So we're going to put them to use and see how they work. I'm going to make a cheesecake today, and I can't wait to use them. Our cheesecake is done, so what we'll do is unlatch it here. Simply lift the ring, and you can leave it on the pan here for easy transport, or you can lift it off and put it on your cake plate or whatever, however you're serving. But this is a great tool to have in baking, and I highly recommend these springform pans. I'm Donna with Donna's Products.